Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about some effective language learning hacks that if practiced would be a go for sure. Language is an integral part of our lives and hence it is important to learn language in speaking as well as learning stages. Today I'm going to talk about some effective language learning hacks that would create a positive impact on your journey of speaking English. First is learn phonics before words. It is usually said that before practicing the words, it is great to go with the phonics or the sounds of the alphabet. This could help in pronunciation as well as to understand the words in a better way. Second is learn the cognates. Cognates are words that are similar to your language. Learning cognates is very easy. You can learn 1000+ cognates in a weekend and also a few hundred to aim.